Hello everybody, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Nick.
And in this video today we're talking about Tyre Sauce. So Nick, what is Tyre Sauce?
So Tyre Sauce, usually that's the term that they use in the US, but it's additive, goop, whatever you want to call it. But it's basically a solution that you put on the tyres to soften the rubber and also provide the tyres, make them tacky and
extra grip.
Extra grip. You know, cool. The racers are chasing that 1/10 or 2/10.
Yeah.
So any advantage, any 1% they can get.
So they do that by putting traction compound on their tyres.
They do.
Sweet.
And this is the range from TDK, and we're going to be testing the new awesome Edge additive there, which works fantastically well on off-road and on-road tracks.
Well, in that case, you set up your little how-to station here because I'm going to read something in voiceover.
Okay.
Experience a new era of racing with TDK Edge, the innovative tyre sauce designed to elevate your performance. Whether you're navigating sealed tracks or mastering clay surfaces, TDK Edge provides unmatched grip and control, redefining the standards of tyre performance. TDK Edge is more than just a tyre sauce. It's a transformative tool for racers pursuing the ultimate competitive advantage. And this one, high grip, is for off-road as well. So, all right man, let's show me how it's done.
Okay, so two ways of doing it. One with the sander, one without the sander. So I'll do it with the sander first. So we have the RC Maker Dominate here, which gives the tyre a bit of a clean.
Yep, that's just a cleaner.
Just a cleaner. Magic sponge, just a bit of a squirt, turn it on, and you're going to notice that it's going to foam up white. Kind of.
A bit?
But that just gives it a really light clean.
So what's your magic sponge there? Is that just a sponge?
Just those magic white sponges that you get to clean walls with.
Okay, cool. Like a Chuck's thing.
Like a Chuck's thing, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. So that tire's clean now, and we're going to apply the lovely Edge. It's beautiful sauce. Just taking a little bit of the excess liquid off. I like to dab mine on the blue sponge. Yep. The blue Scott's towel. Turn it on and just
a low RPM.
Low RPM. And we're done.
That's it.
So that's it. So it's wet. It'll flash off.
Yep.
The rubber will soften, and you're to touch it's gonna be nice and tacky, ready to hit the track. Nice. So that's one way. Do you want me to show you the other way? I
would love to see the other way.
Okay. The other way is called my 5-dot preparation. Yeah. Let's go with that. We're going to grab our Edge, and we're going to apply 5 dots to the Scott's blue towel.
There you go.
There we go. And then we're going to grab our first tyre and rub it on the first dot. And the first dot is actually going to clean the tyre. So you're going to see some black and some dirt coming up. And then we'll move across to the second dot. And the second dot is actually the applicator dot. So it applies the solution to the tyre. And that is done. So we're done with that one. We grab the second tyre and we go to the second dot to clean it.
Okay.
And then we move across to the third dot, which is the applicator dot.
Okay, yeah, I get it.
Then you grab the third tyre and you go to the third dot to clean. And then we move to the fourth dot.
Right, so
the applicator.
Yeah, okay, so the first one is just to clean it a little bit. It's the second, the dot you move to afterwards is the one that is actually applying the sauce onto it.
Correct.
And there's 5 dots because there's 4 tyres. And okay.
And we're done.
Very nice.
Nice. So with the off-road cars, this is a mini B, but it applies to 1/8, 1/10 scale as well. I'm going to apply it directly to the tyre.
There
we go. So make sure the tyre's obviously clean. I'm usually using a stiff brush to give the tyres a clean before you apply the additive. And there you go. Just leave it go, let it dry. It'll flash off and become nice and sticky, ready for the track.
Beautiful. All right, so that is what Tyre Sauce is. That's how to put it on. But why should you put Tyre Sauce on your tyres? For that, we're going to need to cut to ourselves at a racetrack to do some testing. So take it away, Aaron and Nick.
Thanks, Nick and Aaron. We're here to do some science.
That's right. Nick is going to run his TCR racing car around the track for 10 laps with no sauce, and then 10 laps with sauce, and we're going to see what wins. Our test car is this, Nick's XRay X4F. It's a full-blown professional competition level race car with proper race wheels. Thing is though, With entirely unprepped tyres, it just doesn't have any grip. The little X-Ray is front-wheel drive, so it's spinning all of its power away and also losing traction on the back end. All this means that our supposedly professional racing driver was only lapping at an average of around 18.5 seconds, not particularly fast for this track. It was time for the TDK Edge Tyre Sauce to go on. Now with grip, the difference in lap times and consistency is immediately apparent.
So there you have it, before and after Tyre Sauce is 3 seconds per lap. That is a huge difference. You're definitely going to be winning races with that, right?
You sure will. It'll give you the edge over your opponents.
What did I say?